You want me to make the world's thickest Wagyu steak? Yeah, I'm down. Now we could make it this way, but I know how to make it even thicker. And to make it thicker, we're actually going to do some trimming. What you're about to see, I guarantee you, has never been done in the history of Wagyu steaks. That is because today I'm sculpting this A5 Japanese Wagyu steak into a break-the-internet level of thickness. I know I say this a lot, but this may genuinely be one of the most impressive things I've ever done. After a quick little tenderization session that was 100% necessary, it's time to cook our masterpiece. The bottom was really easy to sear, but the cheek side didn't get a great sear for pretty obvious reasons. That's no problem though, because I own a blowtorch. This may look like a normal Wagyu steak from this side, but wait until you see it from the back. I present to you the world's thickest Wagyu